Choosing a right product is not easy nowadays. So we are here to help you. We put products in our list after researching on them, after checking the quality of products, and also after different experiments. We categorized products and also their rankings. We always list quality products that are suitable for our subscribers. The best thing is we try to give high quality products in affordable price. Without wasting your time, we are going to share top 4 products available in the market. The product links are in description and in first comment. The number 4 on the list is on Amazon. You will get a number of different products, but we are putting this in our list because of many different aspects. Conveniently positions an iPad for surfing the web or watching movies. Expandable feature. Expands from 8 inches to 10.25 W. Allows you to stand your iPad upright or on its side. Adjusts to 4 standing positions. From flat to an upright. 60-degree incline. 8.25 H. Made from bamboo wood. A natural and renewable resource. Includes 1 expandable iPad stand. Also works with other tablets and gaming devices. Note: iPad, tablet, device not included. Dimensions: WXDXH. 8 inches by 10 inches by 2 3/8. Width expands from 8 inches to 10. Height adjusts from 2 3/8 to 8.25. The number 3 on the list is choosing a right product is not easy. We always choose products after different experiments. Compatible with Apple iPad 1, iPad 2, the new iPad, Kindle Fire, Kindle Fire HD, Kindle Touch, Kindle e-reader and other tablets and e-readers with or without a case or sleeve. Extremely portable. Fits in any bag or pocket. Non-skid base design keeps the stand secure on flat surfaces. Ships in certified frustration-free packaging. The number 2 on the list is many positives. Reviews for this product are available on different forums and communities. Compatible with Apple iPad 1, iPad 2, the new iPad, Kindle Fire, Kindle Fire HD, Kindle Touch, Kindle e-reader and other tablets and e-readers with or without a case or sleeve. Extremely portable. Fits in any bag or pocket. Non-skid base design keeps the stand secure on flat surfaces. Ships in certified frustration-free packaging. The number 1 on the list is this product comes with premium quality and affordable price. Portable stand for comfortable, hands-free viewing of a 4 to 10-inch tablet, e-reader, or smartphone. Easily adjusts to multiple viewing angles using convenient side button. Holds device in either portrait or landscape position. Compatible with Kindle, iPhone, iPad, Samsung Galaxy Tab, Google Nexus, HTC, LG, Nokia Lumia, OnePlus, and more. Removable rubber pad for slip and scratch resistant performance. Durable zinc alloy body can hold up to 11 pounds. Folds flat when closed. Backed by an Amazon Basics 1-year limited warranty.